Extending a helping hand, the opposition Trinamool Congress has decided to grant an ex-Gratia payment of rupees 5 lakh each to the families of the deceased and support for those who were injured in the Assam police firing at Mukroh village in West Jayanti Hills district on Tuesday morning. Meghalaya TMC Parliamentary Party leader Dr. Mukroh visited the ground zero immediately to stand in solidarity with the distressed. AITC leader Dr. Sangma, while talking to media, said that the villagers living in those areas are subjected to constant harassment and atrocities, thereby forced to live in fear. Dr. Sangmas also said that there has been surge in instances of alleged oppression, suppression, harassment and atrocities against our people living in villages along Assam-Meghalaya border by the authorities from Assam.
Interstate border. Having been able to go to the place of occurrence and meet the people, the villagers, I was perturbed to hear many of the stories that revolves around the people there and the kind of suppression and oppression and atrocities to which they were being subjected by the authorities of Assam. I think it would be only in the fitness of things if friends from media can really go down there and then listen to their stories so that you will know what exactly was happening from the horse's mouth.